ये खाना झूठा है. This food is oat. This food is oat. झूठा खाना मत खाओ. Don't eat oat food. Don't eat oat food. ये बचा हुआ खाना है. This food is leftover. This food is leftover. तुमने खाना बीच में क्यों छोड़ दिया? Why have you left food half eaten? Why have you left food half eaten? ये खाना बासी है. This food is stale. This food is stale. खाना ठंडा हो रहा है. The food is getting cold. The food is getting cold. चलो गरम गरम खाना खा लेते हैं. Let's have food while it is still warm. Let's have food while it is still warm. खाना ठंडा होने से पहले खा लो. Have your food before it gets cold. Have your food before it gets cold. खाना टेबल पर पड़ा ठंडा हो रहा है. The food is on the table and it's getting cold. The food is on the table and it's getting cold. खाना खराब हो गया है. इसे मत खाओ. The food has become rancid. Don't eat it. The food has become rancid. Don't eat it. ये पानी झूठा है. This water is sipped by someone. This water is sipped by someone. झूठा पानी मत पियो. Don't drink used water. Don't drink used water. झूठा खाना या पीना स्वास्थ्य के लिए अच्छा नहीं होता. Consuming oat food or used water is not hygienic. Consuming oat food or used water is not hygienic.